problems from eighth one I'll solve. Eighth one. How many questions is possible to solve today? That many questions I'll solve. Afterwards, remaining for you. Eighth one, exercise 4.2. A quadrilateral ABCD. A quadrilateral ABCD. Drawn to circumscribe a circle, drawn to circumscribe a circle to that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. The diagram T R C B Q P A S. Okay. A quadrilateral ABCD drawn to circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe means a circle is inside the quadrilateral. Okay. Prove that AB plus CD that is equal to AD plus BC. Okay. Before that, we will write solution. See, there are four external points we can see. A is the external point, AP and AS are the tangents to a circle. Can you see? A is an external point and AP or AS are the tangent of the circle, they are equal. B is the external point, BP and BQ are the tangents of the circle, they are equal. C is the external point, CR and CQ are tangents, they are equal. D is the external point, DS and DR are the tangents, external point, equal. See, tangents means what? From the external point, the line stretches to the circle. Those two are called tangents and they are equal. Already we were proved in our theorem. Okay. Now, I'll write what I said now. I'll write first, dr is equal to this and this are the tangents, ds. dr equal to ds. Then this and this. AS equal to AP. So AP is equal to AS. Okay. Next. BP and BQ. So BP is equal to BQ. CQ and CR. CR is equal to CQ. One little thing can write, while writing, you must get DS and KS in same side. Like that you arrange and write. Writing anyhow equality, if you write AS here, AP here, there is nothing is there. Nothing is there. You can write anywhere. But while writing, you must see and write DS, AS. That should come continuously. Like that you arrange. BQ, PQ, CQ. Why you will come to know later. The reason you must write tangents drawn from an external point. Tangents drawn from an external points are equal. tangents drawn from an external points are equal. Okay. Now what I have to mean, I have to add all the things. I have to add all the things. Add above equations. Name it as, here there is no space. You, while you are writing, keep the space and write equation 2 this one, equation 3 this one, equation 4 this one. Okay. While you are writing a note, write properly, leave some space and then you write this one. Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now write AR plus AP plus BP plus, sorry sir, not AR, it's DR, DR, AP, BP, CR, that is equal to DS, AS, BQ, CQ. DR, where is DR? DR plus RC. DR plus RT. Straight line I must want to take. DR plus RC here. DR plus RC or CR. I'll group this one. This is one group. Remaining is AP plus BP. AP plus BP. This is one straight line I got. Next. Equal to DS is here. DS. With that, which straight line will come? AS. DS and AS together plus BP and CQ. BQ and CQ. See. DR plus CR is nothing but it is a CD, isn't it? It is a CD. Plus AP and BP nothing but it is AB. Equal to DS, AS nothing but it is AD. Next, it is BC. This is the proof they asked. Correct? For this reason I told you that while you are writing here adjacent right, that is there in your hand. You can write anyhow. While writing here DS, AS, let it come together. Like that you write. DR, AP. DR, AP. That's no problem. Once you set, one side you set and write. Otherwise, afterwards while writing here you will know, you will come to know something is missed. That side one, this side is there, this side one, that side is there. At that time also you can rub and write, no problem. Okay, you can do it properly. So this is the important one. Many times these questions, not only these questions, now in this almost all questions came once or twice in the exam. So study all the questions. Next one. In figure. Next one means it's the ninth one. In figure, xy and x dash y dash, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents, to a circle with center O. And another tangent AB and another tangent AB with the point of contact C. With the point of contact C. Intersecting xy at A. And x dash y dash at B. Through that angle AOB 90 degree. Diagram. Diagram is given. There are two tangents. One is a xy. One more is a x dash y dash. Okay. This is a P. This is the line Q. We must take this one out. Wait. Here one line we have to draw. Okay, this much they are given. Read the question one. In the figure, xy and x dash y are the two parallel tangents to a circle. Right. Xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. Two parallel tangents to a circle. Circle with center O. Okay. Another tangent AB with the point of contact C. Can you see here? Another tangent AB with the point of contact C. Intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Now our work is we must prove this angle is 90 degree, means it is a right angle, it is a right angle triangle. So what can we do? Here one point of contact is given. We will join this line. We will join that point of contact. This becomes a radius. Is it? This becomes a radius. Now how many radius are there? Just once you see. OC is a radius, OP is a radius, OQ is a radius. OA and OB are not a radius. The line is outside the circle. Can you see it clearly? The line is outside the circle, they are not radius. OP, OC and OQ are the radii. Okay? Okay. Now I will select two triangles here, which are there. OPA, AOC. Okay? OPA, this POA, AOC, 1. In triangle POA and AOC. First of all, our work is we must prove it a congruence. Or A can't, a congruency is possible here. Yes, we'll start. This and this. Which things are equal here? Can anyone? Just see only the upper part, two angles. This you neglect this. Yes, tell me, can you tell me?
OP is equal to OC.
The common side.
OP is equal to OC. Why?
Radius.
Radius. Very good. Very good. Which is a common side? Somebody said OA is a
OA.
common side. Good. Yes, good. Common side. One more I need. One more. Which is the one
Angle
more?
O is common, teacher.
Rosni, how it is common? How it is common? Angle O is a divided angle here. Who told you it is a bisected angle? They did not say with us. It's a bisecting angle. If it's a bisecting angle, okay, we can consider. But they did not mention it's a bisecting angle here. It's not common angle. One more is there, side. I said one more side is there. Such. Already two sides you are finished. Remaining one side you see. Why it is equal you think? Which is the remaining one side now? Already two sides you finished now. Think fast. You have to think fast, otherwise I cannot solve one problem is there. Big gun. See, already this side is finished. One more side is finished. Now remaining is PA and AC. Isn't it? PA and AC is remaining. I am saying that side is equal. Why you have to say? No. Huh? Yes? Simply teacher told. That's the reason, right? Said by teacher. Write the reason. Is it work?
Tangent, teacher.
I cannot hear what are you saying.
Tangent, teacher.
Tangent. Yes. AP and AC are the tangents drawn from an external point. Tangents of the circle. Yes, over. Therefore, triangle POA is congruent to triangle AOC because of SSS criteria. So we need this angle, isn't it? So now we have to write in CPCT, angle POA is equal to angle AOC. Now we have to write, Roshni, now because of CPCT. Angle POA is equal to corresponding angle AOC because of corresponding part of congruent triangle. This is the one. Same procedure we must follow for the down one. Okay, which next in triangle COB and triangle BOQ. So COB and BOQ. Now I can write directly also or compare. Which two are equal? OC equal to OQ, radii, OC, OB is the common side, OB is common, OB is common side. Next, QB and BC. BQ equal to BC are the tangents drawn from an external point. That actually you must write fully. Tangents of circle. Okay. Therefore, same as it is you have done in the first part, same way, but the namings comes, alphabet comes different, B, C, Q and all. SSS criteria. Therefore, which angles equal we need now? This COB, BOQ. Angle COB is equal to angle BOQ because of corresponding part of congruent triangles. So 2. Now we must add 1 and 2. Okay? Not 1 and 2. Before that, wait. It's adding 1 and 2 only. But we have to write PQ is the diameter, isn't it? The diameter is the straight line. Correct? What's the angle of straight line? Tell me.
360 degree.
Huh? No, I can't. Yes? How much? Angle of straight line. 360 degree. Huh?
180 degree.
180 degree. You have doubt in that also, isn't it? diameter of a circle and it is a straight line. This sentence you must write, okay? Otherwise 180 comes from where? It is a straight line. Straight line or it is a linear pair, everything is okay. Now add all the angles which stand upon the straight line. Add all the angles which stands upon the straight line. Angle POA, angle AOC plus angle COB plus angle BOQ. Totally all the angles equal to 180 degrees. Understood? Yes. Now search from 1 and 2. POA is nothing but AOC. We need, just observe here, we need AOB. We need AOB means what comes inside that? AOC and COB. Instead of writing POA, we can write here AOC, isn't it? From the equation 1, POA is equal to AOC. So, instead of writing POA, I will write angle AOC from the equation 1. AOC as it is, I will write. Because I need AOC and COB, I don't want remaining terms. COB I want, so as it is I write COB. But BOQ I don't want, BOQ I don't want. BOQ is nothing but COB. You written here. COB. So, I'll write COB only there. This came from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Now, 2 AOC plus 2 COB, that's equal to 180 degree. That's equal to 180 degree. So, take 2 common out. 2 AOC plus COB, that is equal to 180 degree. Now, just observe here, AOC, COB is nothing but AOB, isn't it? AOB is a complete angle. Therefore, angle AOB, this 2 I will take it down, 180 by 2, that is 90. This is what they ask. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Have you understood or having any doubt? Important one this, and this not difficult one, easiest one, you have to understand this one. One thing you must do. I did not written here, isn't it? Join OC. This is the extra we are doing, that's all. Okay, just a minute. Next one problem, biggest problem is that I will take first. Same types of one more problem is there in the reader. Last question, okay, the exercise, last question. What just now I solved, no? Like that only, same way. You have to proceed the last question. Same method, everything is same here. Okay, now I will go for the question number 12 one. First I will finish this one. This is important also and the longest one. easy, not difficult. What you have studied in a 9th standard, that formula comes here. A triangle ABC, so is drawn to circumscribe a circle, is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter, such that the segments BD and DC, into which BC divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. Circumscribe a circle inside the triangle. See, 6 centimeter. This point is given as D. Here 8 centimeter. B is A. Only this much is given. This much is given. Now remain we must take. I'll continue this. Now we'll give the naming. F and E. This is the O. Okay. Now DC. C is the external point tangents drawn to a circle. Is it? C is the external point tangents drawn to a circle. So CD is nothing but CF. So in triangle ABC, C, B and A, C, B and A are the external points, and the tangents drawn to a circle. Which are the tangents? CD equal to CF. CD equal to CF. 1. AF is equal to AE. This becomes 6 centimeter only. AF is equal to AE. They are not given. We will take it as, this we will take it as x. This is 6 only. This becomes 8. This is the tangent, isn't it? Which was the tangent that BD is equal to BE is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Okay, now next we will move to this side. Okay. After this, now I will take this side. I will take this complete side. Now here we have to apply our Heron's formula. Heron's formula to find the area. To find the area of the triangle. Once we must apply Heron's formula, and once again we must apply our triangle area formula. That you will come to know later. To apply the Heron's formula, we need first, Heron's formula says what? Do you know? Remember that one, last year's 9th standard? Area of any triangle is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is the formula is given by Heron. What is S here? S means a semicircle. What's the formula to S here? S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Isn't it? S is a semicircle. Formula for S is ABC. What is ABC here? ABC is nothing but 3 sides of triangle. Right? 3 sides of triangle. Now I will apply this one. This I will write later. First we will find what is AB means. AB is nothing but 6 plus x. Correct? 6 plus x. Then what about BC? BC is nothing but 8 plus 6.
Teacher.
That is 40. Yeah.
Teacher.
AC, no teacher.
AC. Sorry. AC. Correct. AC. Next AB is nothing but x plus 8. Okay. Now we will go for the semicircle. Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means S. I'll write from where? By Heron's formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Nothing but this. Right? I will add now. 6 plus x, 1 over A is over B. Any one side you take it as A, B, C. I'll take A, B, C. Okay. B is 14, C is x plus 8, whole divided by 2. So S is equal to, only the known terms you add, unknown terms add together. 6 plus 14, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 2x are there, 2x. Divided by 28. Here I can take 2 common, isn't it? If I taken 2 out, x plus 2, how much are? 2 14s are 28. Understood now? X plus 14, because 2 is taken out. That taken out 2 will get cancelled, so we will get s equal to x plus 14. As we got, now we will go for the area of the triangle. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC, complete triangle ABC. Write the formula once. A is equal to, area is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. ABC is nothing but same. If you want this also, you can write in the small letters, no problem. Okay, otherwise you can write here capital letters. Both are same. Okay. A equal to, once we will substitute, S is x plus 14, careful because S is also bigger one. X plus 14, write in the bracket. Now I'll write in the square bracket, using the square bracket, S minus A. S is same, x plus 14 minus, write in the bracket because there is 2 terms in A. 6 plus x. Close the square bracket. Once again open the square bracket for S minus B. S is same, x plus 14. For first one no need, minus second one we want a bracket. Second one here no need because just single term is there, okay, enough. Now once again open the square bracket. S is again x plus 14, but the C contains double term, so write in the bracket x plus 8. You can't see, I know, wait. Okay. Now A is equal to square root of, let it be this one like this, and x plus 14 in the first one. Second one we will simplify, open the bracket, x plus 14 minus x minus 16. Please multiply from that minus inside. Next one, here plus x minus 14 plus 14 gets cancelled. Remaining is just x. Next one, open the bracket, x plus 14 minus x minus 8. Am I right? Correct.
Teacher.
16, not it is 6, yes. It is 6. Minus 6 minus x. Minus 8 minus x. Is it correct now? Yes. Next, wherever cancellation is possible, you cancel. Minus x plus x minus x plus x. Now, x plus 14, don't multiply, let it be till the end. Here, plus 14 minus 8. Plus 14 minus 6. Plus 14 minus 6 is plus 8 into x. Here, plus 14 minus 8 is plus 6. Is it correct? Now, 8 6 are 48x into x plus 14 we are getting. Don't go for multiplication and all, leave it here only. Let it be, this is a square in its area. You must write a square in it. Okay, leave here. One area you leave here. Now, one more area we have to find, because to compare both. Now we must go for area of the triangle ABC. Once again, area of the triangle ABC. How? Come back to the figure. I will take this area. This. These two are same. Isn't it? In that one I will take. These two are same. In that this I will take. These two are same. In that this I will take. Why? Because if I have taken this one height I will get. One base I will get. Not this is height. This is height. Radius. This is height. Radius I will get. Radius is given, I think. It is given as, just a minute. The length of 6 and BC and DC. Radius is 4 centimeter given. Radius is given in as 4 centimeter here. 4 centimeter. So everywhere we have the radius. This is the radius. For that reason, I am considering this one. Here I am getting one radius and the base. What is the area of the triangle formula? Half into base into height. Correct? Half into base into height. This radius becomes height here. And this is the base. Here also, this radius becomes height and this is the base. This is the base and this radius becomes height. For that reason, I will take these three triangles. Because base is also known. Base is also known. Or you can take these three triangles. Everything is same. Any triangles you can take. Okay? But while taking, here how many are there? Same type of two are there. Same type of two are there. Same type of two are there. So 2 into comes. 2 into comes. And just to know, now come here. How can I write? Oh, holding mobile also difficult. Okay. Area 2 into, completely I will take the 2 out because 3 triangles also contains 2. 2 into, area of triangle is half into base into height, half, wait, which area we will write? area of triangle AOF, first one AOF plus area of triangle, just observe here, AOF, OCD, then one more is ODB. Okay? OCD plus O triangle, area of triangle, OBD, ODB. Yes. Two I have written because two are there. Writing instead of 6 1, I can write because 2 are equal. I can write 3 and into 2 I can do. That's it. Otherwise you write all 6 also, no problem. 2 into area, half into base into height. What is the base there? Base is the radius OF. Sorry, base not, height is the radius OF. Base is the side AF. Plus half into OCD. Base is CD, height is radius OD. OD into CD. Plus half, here the height is same OD, base is BD. OD into BD. Now apply the values for this. Two into half. OF is what? OF is the radius, it's 4. And AF we don't know, it is X. Plus half. This is 4, 1. One more side is 6. Base is 6. Here half. Radius is same, 4. Height, base is 8. We can cancel here instead of taking that denominator. Once again we have to take add and difficult. Now multiply 2. This becomes 2x plus 2, 3, 6, 12 plus 2, 8, 16. Multiply once again. Area is equal to 2x can't. 12 plus 16, 20, 28. 2 into 2x plus 28, isn't it? So area is equal to, I'm not going to multiply inside. Instead of, I will take the 2 common out. Why, you will come to know later. I'll take the 2 common out. I'm taking 2 out from this. Already 1 2 is there. 2 into 2 it becomes 4. Okay? 4. Why, I will tell. X plus 14. Just you observe. I said I wanted to compare this area and this area. Here x plus 14 is there. Here if I written x plus 14, that maybe gets cancelled somewhere. We'll see that. For that reason, if you multiply, you are not getting wrong, you will get 1 to extra step. That's all. Already it is a long list one. Once again, if I take an extra step, one board is not enough for one problem. Now compare 2 and 1. Compare equation 1 and equation 2. What the equation 1 says? Equation 1 says it's a root of 48x into x plus 14. That is equal to equation 2 says 4 into x plus 14. I wanted to remove the root. Means I must square both the sides. Maybe time is crossed a little. I'll finish this. Squaring both sides. Okay. If I square this one, what happens? Square root will go 48x and x plus 14 I am getting. Here, everything comes inside the square. Now what happens here? 48x into x plus 14, 4 square, 16. This one square, don't open, let it be like this only. Now what I will do means, I will bring this x plus 14 here and I will take this 16 here. Okay, I will keep the 48x here and I will bring this 16 here because the multiplication in between that. So So 60 will come down. Here x plus 14 the whole square divided by this x plus 14. See, this 1 x plus 14 and 1 x plus 14 is getting cancelled. 16 ones are 16 threes are. So what I'm getting, 3x equal to here x plus 14. Square has got cancelled. Now x you take this side. 3x minus x equal to 14. 3x minus x is 2x. 2x equal to 14. So x equal to 7 we got. X equal to 7 we got. Find the sides AB and AC they asked. Therefore sides AB. AB is nothing but there 8 plus x. 8 plus x. So 8 plus 7 that is 15 centimeters. Then AC is nothing but 6 plus x that is 6 plus 7 that is 13 centimeters. This is the smallest problem and the important one. Do you know one more thing? Once they have asked this problem for 1 mark. But afterwards not asked. Now not asking like that. Don't worry. If they ask it, this is sure for 4 or 3 marks. So completely one full board is covered. So this is not difficult one. What you have studied in your previous year 9th standard formula only we are applying here twice. Once area head-on formula using, once area is normal area of triangle formula and comparison. Once you solve and study, then you will not forget this problem. Okay, it's easy one, not difficult one. Nothing is difficult. Everything is easy only. Okay, I will stop remaining questions for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, thank you. There is no class on Saturday. My class is not there on Saturday.